Hello everyone. The purpose of this presentation is to emphasize the need to keep the TCAS mode selector set to TARA during an emergency descent. As a reminder, based on Airbus philosophy, the normal position of the TCAS mode selector is TARA. Indeed, this position enables the maximum protection against collision with another aircraft. This is the reason why Airbus SOPs require the TCAS mode selector to be set to the TARA position during cruise. If an emergency descent must be performed, the flight crew applies the emergency procedure provided by the QRH and FCOM for A320, A330 and A340, or by the ECAM for A350 and A380. In fact, this procedure does not indicate anything about TCAS. However, may I provide a reminder that as per Airbus SOPs, the TCAS mode should be set to TARA in cruise. The emergency descent procedure does not require the TCAS mode selector to be changed from TARA to TA. As a result, this means that the TCAS mode selector must be kept on TARA during an emergency descent. However, some guidelines are available in the FCTM. The FCTM section dedicated to emergency descent indicates that the TCAS mode must remain set to TARA during emergency descent. Indeed, the first priority during this type of maneuver is to prevent collision with another aircraft. A temporary reduction in descent rate or a temporary interruption of the descent will not immediately endanger people on board, whereas the collision with another aircraft must absolutely be avoided. When the TARA mode is selected, it is important to notice that the flight crew must always follow a TCAS RA order. The FCTM highlights that the safe separation of airplanes may be affected if the RA order is not followed. This rule remains fully applicable during an emergency descent. The APFD TCAS follows an RA to level off in any case during an emergency descent. As a complementary information, the FCTM provides the list of specific situations when TA should be selected. This is when climb performance is degraded, or when the operator identifies that some specific situations may cause the triggering of some RA orders that are not appropriate. As you can see, emergency descent is definitively not part of this list. As a summary, in the Airbus philosophy, TARA is the normal position of the TCAS mode selector. This is because it enables maximum protection against the collision with another aircraft. This is the position selected in cruise. The flight crew must always follow an RA order so as to ensure the safe separation of airplanes. TARA remains the normal position during an emergency descent. It is clearly highlighted in the FCTM that the TCAS mode selector must be kept on TARA during an emergency descent. The objective is to prevent collision. This is the top priority. Any RA order must be followed, even if it causes a reduction in descent rate or an interruption to descent. The TA position should be selected only in some very specific cases that exclude the emergency descent. Thank you for your attention.